Papa of Papa's page here. Today we are working on Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm gonna make potatoes and hot dogs. Our ingredients today will be vegetable broth, smoked brats, potatoes, onions, a little bit of oil, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I'll cut everything up and get back with you. I'm ready to go, so I'm going to start by turning the burner on about medium. We'll add a couple tablespoons of oil. I'm going to pour in the vegetable broth. And I'm going to let it heat up a little bit before we start putting in the rest. Okay, I'm going to dump in the onion. Spread it out a little bit. Dump in the potatoes. The brats. Can use a little bit of coarse black pepper. And a little bit of garlic salt. Or garlic powder. And we're going to let it cook till all the potatoes and hot dogs are done. I'm going to be stirring it every few minutes to make sure it doesn't stick. Okay, I've been cooking about 30 to 40 minutes and looks like all the potatoes are done. So I'm heating up some beans and we'll serve it up, and I'll see if I can find a tester. I have a tester, so we'll put some on a plate and see what we got. Okay, there you go.
Good.
Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.